you have a ceiling fan that makes annoying ticks and bumps or wobbles to and fro? If so, this video is for you. We're going to go through the process of how to balance a fan so it spins evenly and stops wobbling. In order to do this, we just need a simple fan balancing kit, and I will link one down below for you as well from Amazon. To start off, grab the balancing clip and pick a fan blade and slide it on in the middle of the blade on the rotating edge. Go ahead and turn your fan on again and let it get up to speed. If the wobble is worse, simply turn the fan off and move the balancing clip to the next blade and repeat the process. You'll want to do this for every fan blade to find the one that has the biggest difference. I've been needing to do this for years and was incredibly lazy about doing it. You can see the cotton balls that I tossed up there in, I think, 2020 because I did not feel like dealing with balancing the fan. This video has no cuts and the process is, 8 minutes long? Not very long. I have no excuse except laziness. But with summer coming in full swing again and I need to turn this fan on to stay cool in my office, it was time to finally balance the fan and get rid of the wobble once and for all. As you're working your way around the fan, make sure to mark any blades that have a notable improvement in the wobble. I did this with just some scotch tape I had in my office. In my case, only one fan blade even really made an improvement, so it made this easier for me to test the final steps. On any of the blades that you've marked, you want to go ahead and move the balancing clip both up and down the blade to see where it makes the most difference. Conveniently enough for me, it was the center still, but I tested it regardless. While I work my way around the fan, we'll do our usual shillings. If you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all new content as it comes out. We also have channel memberships now, and any support is always greatly appreciated. If you have any suggestions or things you'd like out of the membership, by all means, let me know down in the comments below. Once you found where you have the best change in your fan, go ahead and grab some isopropyl alcohol, or rubbing alcohol, and clean the back of that blade, as it's pretty much guaranteed to be dusty or dirty, and we need it to be clean and free of debris. Once it's clean and dry, go ahead and grab one of the 3-gram weights and stick it in the respective spot that gave you the best results. The weights have a rather strong adhesive foam tape and should be applied about a third of the way in on the blade on the back side, and then go ahead and test your fan one last time to make sure it's now balanced and has stopped wobbling. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and thank you so much for tuning in. Take care. And before the video closes out, a quick shout out to our channel members. Dobby Lapoos, Sebastian YT,